Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial today I will guide you how you can create Imo account. For that you will just need to install Imo on your phone and update your Imo app so that you can get access to new features on Imo. Then after that open the Imo app. Then at first you'll need to enter your phone number. For that you can select the country from the top arrow from here and choose any country you like or you are residing currently. Go back, then enter your phone number. Once you are done with entering your phone number, just tap on the blue tick. Then you'll need to confirm whether your phone number is correct or not. If your phone number is not correct, then you'll need to tap on the edit option and edit from there. To tap on the OK option, then wait a moment. Then here you will be given the option that you will want to access your contact or not. If you don't want to allow, then tap on the don't allow option. For now I'm allowing my contacts. Then here you will be seeing that you have already created an account on the Imo app. So this was it guys. If you find this video useful, then don't forget to give a thumbs up. If you are new to my channel, then subscribe it for more tutorial videos. Thank you.